Welcome to the Toolbar video. In this video, we will demonstrate the toolbar buttons that are not explained in other videos. Click the arrow here to hide or reveal the toolbar. You can manage your accounts that are stored in Bookmarking Daemon by clicking Account Profiles. A list of accounts that are created for the selected profile will be shown here. You can switch account profile by clicking a different profile here. To create a new profile, click the plus sign and set up the details as demonstrated in our other video. Beside adding account profiles, you can also edit an existing profile. To edit, select a profile and click the pencil icon. If you ever need to update a password for an account, you can do so by selecting the account and click Change Password. There will also be times whereby Bookmarking Daemon is not able to detect an account creation as successful and the account status is still pending account creation. When this happens, you can manually change the status to active by selecting the site and click the activated button. If you have existing accounts that you would like to import into Bookmarking Daemon, you can make use of the import functions. Click Import, Export Accounts, and choose Import Accounts for bookmarking sites as shown. An Import Account wizard will be launched. Click Next. In this screen, you will find the format that is required for import. The wizard accepts .csv files and it must contain a header, followed by the body of the content. The header fields that are needed for importing article accounts can be seen here. A sample content of the .csv file is shown here. Click Next to continue. You can paste the content of the .csv file that you want to import into the text field here. Alternatively, you can click Load from File and select the .csv file that contains the accounts that you want to import. Click Next. As mentioned earlier, Bookmarking Daemon requires a valid email account in order to set up the account profile. The Import Account wizard will detect if the account you plan to import contains email addresses that already exist in the database. If it does not exist, it won't be displayed to you. You will need to construct the email settings into the .csv format that is displayed to you. Click Next. You will need to import the email settings for these email addresses. If not, Bookmarking Daemon will not import accounts that are associated with these email addresses. You can paste the content of the email settings that you want to import into the text field. Alternatively, you can click Load from File and select the .csv file that contains the email settings that you want to import. Click Next. However, accounts that use email addresses that do not exist in Bookmarking Daemon will not be imported. Click Finish to finish your import. Bookmarking Daemon also allows you to export accounts for other purposes. Choose Export Accounts from Bookmarking Sites from the drop-down menu. An export wizard will be launched. Click Next. Click the dots here to specify the .csv file that you want to export your accounts into. You can also export the associated email addresses. This is optional. Click Next. Click Finish to start the export. At the end of the submission process, you might want to generate a report for your successful submissions. To do that, click Generate Report from the toolbar. If you only want to retrieve a report after a particular date, you can specify the date by clicking the down arrow shown here. This is optional. Next, you will select a project that you want to generate the report for. Here you can choose Selected Task or All Tasks. To generate a report for a particular task, you will choose Selected Task and select the desired task from the drop-down. Choose All Tasks if you want to generate a report for the entire selected project. Here you can choose to generate an account creation report or submission plus publication report. Click the dots here and enter the .csv file that you want to save your report into. Check Open .csv file after the file is saved if you want Bookmarking Daemon to open the file after the report is generated. Click Save. Apart from generating submission reports, you can also export the live links that are captured by Bookmarking Daemon during the submission process. To do that, click Export Live Links from the toolbar. If you only want to retrieve a report after a particular date, you can specify the date by clicking the down arrow here. This is optional. To generate a report for a particular project, you will choose Selected Project and select the desired project from the drop-down. Choose All Projects if you want to export all captured live links. If you have chosen Selected Project, you will be given the option to export live link reports for a particular task in the project or all tasks of the selected project. To generate a report for a particular task, you will choose Selected Task and select the desired task from the drop-down. Choose All Tasks if you would like to generate a report for the whole of the selected project. Click the dots here and enter the .csv file that you want to save your report into. Click Preview to retrieve the list of live links that will be exported. You can also copy to clipboard. You can launch a live link in your default browser by right-clicking a link and choosing Launch Website. You can also choose Test with Link Checker. Click Save. We have added various useful tools into Bookmarking Daemon that aim to simplify various tasks of your marketing campaign. The first tool that we will cover is Remove Duplicates from Text. You can access it from your toolbar as shown. This particular tool basically allows you to manipulate text data. In this example, we will paste a list of text in the box A. Let's add some duplicates. If you would like to remove all duplicate content from the list, click Remove Duplicates from A. The list is case sensitive. You can perform case sensitive, insensitive removal by checking Case Sensitive. Click Remove Duplicates again and you will see that the duplicates are truly removed. This particular tool also allows you to perform data exclusion. Let's add some content in B. Add some content from B into A. If you want to remove the content of B from A, click C equals A minus B. You can also do an A plus B. The tool also provides a convenient way for you to swap the content from one text field to another. Press the buttons here to swap. You can also perform the following data manipulation tasks: sorting the list in ascending order, sorting the list in descending order, set a list to uppercase, set a list to lowercase. You can play around with this tool to better manipulate your list of text. This is the website detail scanner. Input your list of URLs to scan from PageRank, Alexa, IP address, and Web of Trust. Untick the options that you do not want to use. You can use proxy servers if you are scanning a huge list of sites. Click Start to Scan. Once finished, you can export your results in CSV file. Next is the link checker. Enter a list of URLs and click Start. The software will attempt to check for you if the URLs you have entered are currently active. You can check the different tabs for the errors and invalid URLs. The next tool that we will talk about is the Synonyms Harvester. It allows you to build your own custom list of synonyms for your rewriting delight. To access this function, choose Synonyms Harvester from the drop-down. To harvest and improve your synonyms database, paste your spun article into the text field. Click Start to harvest the synonyms. Synonym Harvester also allows the harvested synonyms to be stored under a niche group. Click Niche to set up the niche group in which the harvested synonyms will be grouped under. Enter a title for your niche group that you would like the synonyms to be grouped into. Click Start. Click Manage Niche to look at what you have imported. You can delete the spin syntax that you do not like. If you have spun articles stored in .txt files, you can use the Load from Text File option to harvest the synonyms. Another tool that comes with Bookmarking Daemon is the Spin Anchor Links tool. It allows you to create anchor links in spin syntax format. Enter your URLs into Insert URLs here. Enter your anchor text into Insert Anchor Text here. As you key in the values into the text fields, you will see the generated spin syntax anchor link displayed here. To use the anchor link, click Copy to Clipboard, and it will be stored in your clipboard. You can paste the stored anchor link for your other work. Similar to the Spin Anchor Links tool, Bookmarking Daemon also provides you a tool that allows you to generate content in spin syntax format. To use, choose Convert to Spin Text from the drop-down menu. Enter your text into the Insert Text here. As you key in the values into the text fields, you will see the generated spin syntax. To use the spin syntax, click Copy to Clipboard, and it will be stored in your clipboard. You can paste the stored text into your other work. As for this question mark here, you can update your license key, access our affiliate page, check for new Bookmarking Daemon updates, link to our support ticket page, deactivate Bookmarking Daemon from your current computer. That's it for this video. If you have any issue with Bookmarking Daemon, please open a support ticket at the following link. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the success.